How to download GTA Vice City in Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Simply go to search and search GTA Vice City. After you've searched GTA Vice City, you will find all these options. Click on Grand Theft Auto Vice City, which is GTA Vice City. After you click on it, you will need to pay for this game. As you can see, it's $4.99. Simply pay using any of your credit card or debit card. After you paid, you will be able to download the app. This is how to download GTA Vice City in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.